my dance daughter, not my real daughter, the dance daughter. We've already proven that it's not my real daughter. This is Grace. She's going to help us record Move of the Week. This is a cool move. And 5, what we're doing is extenuating the 5th count of this left side pass. So first we'll do a sugar push. 2, 3, 4. We're going to do the move first. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your body. Center through. That's just the ending we're doing. You're calling what you want to do at the end of it, but this is how we do it. So when you first get into this, leaders, however you choose to, when you do a sugar push at the end of the 5 and 6, switch hands into hers, right to right. That's all you want to do. You just want to make sure that hand change occurs by the end of the sugar. Bring her down the track on 1, 2. Prep her now to her right for that second step. Full turn to her left for 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I pick up her left hand with my left hand, so now we're in what's called the K. So we're just going to get into that real quick. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Switch hands. 5 and 6. Walk, walk. Pull her through, left to left. We're going to go front to back. So I'm already switched hands with her. We're just going to do 2 walks. Walk, and then 3 and 4. So I'm beside her on her left side. Now from here, what the follower is going to do is and 5. So you're making 2 steps for 1 beat of music. Pretty quick. For the guys, for the leaders, you're taking 1 step. I'll tell you why. So we're just going to do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So Grace is on her right foot, which she should be on the 5th count. Leaders, you're taking 1 step to her 2, because I want to be on her footwork. All the way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Switch hands. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So when she gets to 4, you are going to push her back on with both hands for step and stop her on her right shoulder with your right hand still connected to hers. You want to make her just take 2 steps. All right? All the way through. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. You both are going to come forward on 6 for a prep. So her left, my left. Make a return in half, triple step, and do a triple. Like turn in 3/4. Okay? See, now she's on the other side of the track, still holding her left. So let's go back to where we started. That's basically the move. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So I'm on her footwork by 5. So what I have to do is get back into mine without her knowing it. How do I do that? Let me show you. We'll go back to 5 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm on my left foot. She does the second step, triple step, I pause. So she does her first triple, I don't move. The second one, I finish the complete move. Whole way this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I do my triple to finish. So we end in the left to left. Let's take 2 walks. Walk, walk, center through, get it down the track. All right, whole way front to back, we're done. Go this way. Sugar push, 2, 3, and 4. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Center through, get out of her way. It's in 5. It's one of my in 5 moves. It's a cool move when you get to the 5th count, because it gives you a nice break in the music or pause. Works for me. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Hope you like it, guys. Remember to give it a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe for a free video. Cancun Cantina is where this wonderful girl dances at. I'll put the link to that place down below, so you can go check it out. So, till next time, have a great week. And as always, remember, keep dancing.
Keep dancing.
Bye.